Welcome again to my course, Working in Child Protection Field. Our topic today is the advantages of working in child protection field. Working in child protection domain is different from all other work domains. Once you enter this field, you will try to stay and continue in it. This is because it has many economic, physical, and psychological advantages that do not exist in other work domains. These benefits and advantages include: first, the income. The daily, monthly, or yearly income in this field mostly will be good and rewarding, since this field values potentials, skills, and educational level. There are different levels of salaries and payments in this field. For example, the monthly income may start from $300 or $400 for the simple and easy jobs, and the number can increase and reach $10,000 per month or even more if you have the equivalent skills and experience, especially if you work in high positions or if you work internationally outside your country. And what is good here is that you can start with a simple job and develop your skills and gain experience to the point that enables you to work in high positions or to work in other cities or other countries, which means greater income and higher privileges. In addition to these financial benefits, there are other benefits such as social insurance. In most of the child protection entities, such as the United Nations agencies and the national and international organizations, the employees working with these agencies receive social insurance, which means financial amounts paid during work or at the end of the service, or even permanent retirement salaries for the employees who worked with them for long times or for many years. Added to that, most of these agencies pay health insurance not only for the employees but for their families as well, which means these agencies will be responsible for paying for any health service you or your family need. Please take in consideration that the numbers and the points I just mentioned may differ from one country to another depending on the economic situation, but that exists and is applied in most countries of the world. Another positive point: in the child protection domain, there are various jobs, positions, and departments that may suit the interests, desires, and skills of most people. Some jobs and positions related to computer work or to coordination, reporting, monitoring, evaluation, data management, and etc. Also, there are different sections, such as section of planning, research, education, health, emergency, psychology, sociology, legal, and etc. Also, there are jobs and sections for operating and managing programs, such as case management programs, psychosocial support programs, child-friendly spaces and centers, awareness programs, logistics, and etc. These jobs, positions, sections, and departments require different academic backgrounds, such as graduates from College of Medicine, Health, Education, Sociology, Psychology, Engineering, Economics, Law, and etc. Added to that, this field requires different educational levels. Some jobs require PhD degree, some require master degree, some require bachelor degree, some require high school graduates, and even people who do not have any educational degree can be employed in services such as distributing or transporting materials or construction tasks. It is not necessary for you to be a physician, psychologist, or sociologist to be able to work in this field. All backgrounds and levels can contribute in this field. Another benefit: the employees working in child protection will have the opportunity to receive training courses, whether locally or sometimes externally, since there are essential courses that must be obtained to be able to work properly in this field, such as the Basics of Child Protection course, PSEA course, Case Management course, Child Resilience course, and etc. The national and international child protection agencies and institutions continuously provide training courses and workshops to enhance the capacities of their employees, to improve their services, and to prevent them from getting into troubles or causing harm to children or to families. And this privilege may not exist in the other fields of work. Another advantage: in this field, there are several very positive child protection programs. When you manage these programs or receive training on them or facilitate these programs to children, your personality will be impacted positively. Here are some examples of these programs. First, the Psychosocial Support Program, the Child Resilience Program, Awareness Programs, Communication Skills Programs, and etc. As mentioned, these programs will affect your thinking, psychology, and behavior in a very positive way. And the positive impacts will extend to your children and to your family. In other words, working in child protection will make you a better person. Another advantage: during your work in child protection, you will meet and work with people from different levels and maybe from different places and countries, especially if you work internationally. These people are mostly professional, positive, and reputable people. This means creating a wide network and relationships with positive people. Another advantage: in this field, you will work on numbers, tables, reports, statistics, emails, and different computer programs. You will have to write, read, and communicate with people who have wide skills and experience. All these points will gradually improve your skills and personal capacities, and that will increase your chances of getting bigger and better opportunities. Another benefit: during your work in child protection, you will deal with or hear about various problems, different challenges, and many sorts of children cases, which will be explained in detail in this course. Most of people do not know these problems, challenges, and topics, or do not know how to deal with them when they occur, such as child exploitation types, or types of violence, or child risk factors, and etc. Such information will be very useful and positive for you to prevent your children or the children around you from getting into such problems or situations, and you will be sufficiently aware of how to deal with them if they occur. In fact, the advantages and benefits of working in child protection field are too many, but I will suffice with mentioning the last point, which is that working in this field is a noble and human work. It aims to improve the lives of children, improve their protection, and responding to their problems and needs. This type of work will give you positive spiritual and psychological energy that is reflected in all sides of your life. So try to follow up and benefit from all the information of this course. Thanks very much and see you in the next topic.